3, 2, 1, and welcome to Breaking Down Your Walls. This wall literally came to me in the form of a dream. In my dream, I was in bed in the middle of the night one night, and I'm thinking, what stops us in life? And in this dream, off in the distance was this huge object, and it was big, but it was blurry. And it started progressing towards me, and it got clearer, and I could see that it was a wall, and I thought, that's it. Our walls stop us. Would you agree? I believe so. Then the wall got clearer and closer, and I could see that it was a brick wall. Literally looked like bricks. But on the dream, the words that you see on the backside were actually on the bricks. Commitment, consistency, passion, follow through. Here's many of the words that were in my head in this dream. Now, I literally popped out of bed. It was 3:18. I looked at the clock on a Tuesday morning. I ran upstairs to my office at the time. And I started to get a flip chart and just make all these squares. Boom, boom, boom. And I started writing the words in all these squares. Then 20, 30 minutes later, I was about halfway done. I had all these words, but then I had all these empty squares still left. And I was kind of out of words. So I went into my inspirational library and I started stealing words from Ken Blanchard to Tony Robbins to Brian Tracy to Zig Ziglar, all the books and stuff I have in my inspirational library. Put down some of those words, and the beginning of Breaking Down Your Walls was born. It is now matured to a company with a product. These are the bricks. There is 90 of them, representing 90 words. Each word, each brick has a definition. Happy. The definition, characterized by or indicative of pleasure, contentment, or joy. Now each one also has an inspirational message on the bottom, and this one says, the two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Mark Twain quote. So what this is a basic interactive art, I kind of call it too, as a fun way of putting it. I get a magnetic board, 3 foot by 4 foot in diameter. I get these little magnets, button magnets, 2 packs of them to cover the full 90, and I set up shop, so to speak. And every day I flip over 1, 2, or 3 bricks. I choose 3 a day. I look at those words, I read the inspirational message, and then I literally set my intention for the day based on those words. What came to my mind when I saw those 3 words? Yesterday was love, fun, and follow through. And I thought about my intentions around those words. What actions could I take to have those words support positive outcomes in my day? And I moved into my day. This also comes as available with a do-it-yourself coaching workbook that I've put together for you to kind of guide yourself through your goals, your action steps, your daily affirmations. You kind of do a dump list of everything you believe that could be stopping you or holding you back from achieving your dreams and goals. And proceed forward every day. You literally would write down the 3 words you picked, what came to your mind, the 3 actions you'll take daily. Your PM activity using the workbook, you would actually grade yourself A through F, depending on how well you did that day with the word, as well as journal based on about 4 or 5 questions. What showed up for you today, etc. And that's part of the do-it-yourself workbook. I am also certified coach available to coach you one-on-one or in small groups to be able to work through your life navigation of achieving your goals and dreams. I also specialize in experiential team building programs where I come out to your salon and or company. I do an assessment with the owner or whoever the leaders are that I'll be dealing with as the point people. Do an assessment of the team, what your biggest challenges are, what you'd like to achieve as your outcomes. Customize a program for you for a 2-day, usually as the ideal amount of time to really achieve some of the breakthroughs necessary to bring the team together as a stronger, more productive, and more efficient unit. I'm Oscar Valencia Jr., and this is Breaking Down Your Walls.